even Martin Luther. You know, everyone, mostly youngsters know who is the Martin Luther, who did fight, you know that, for the justice. So injustice anywhere in the world is a threat to justice everywhere. So that's what it happened. You know, now the Punjab in the India, the leading, dominating power now. The reason behind that, you know that, this all, everything in Bihar and other state, but already the three law what you're talking, already it was implementation there, but nobody could raise the voice against the injustice. So what is that? We are proud of that. We are proud of our Punjab. We are proud of it as a Sikh. We dominate. We did. Even when we got freedom, 1947, 80 to 85% we did sacrifice. Now also we are leading on that part. So I want to say that. So what next to be do? So I don't think this is the last. Now we are scared of that, our agility. So ਸਾਡੂ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਹੋਂਦ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸੰਭਾਲਣਾ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਐਂਡ ਆਫ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਮਐਸਪੀ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਊਗੀ ਜਾਂ 3 ਰੂਲ ਪਾਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੈਟਸ ਨਾਟ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਟੂ ਐਂਡ ਆਫ ਦੈਟ ਵਾਈ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੁੱਬਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਤਿਣਕਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਲਾਸਟ ਕਾਜ਼ this what is this problem for everyone, not for India, Punjab, for UP, for Bihar. That's why we are more strong. United we stand, divided we fall. So that's the reason we are all together, we are more strong. This is one reason 1947 we got the freedom. Cause our mission was one. So when we parted from that, I think we will go aparted, so we will not be strong. So I do request everyone, let's get together, get along each other's. Then next thing I would tell the youngster, let's educate yourself. What happened in 1947? Why it happens? Who was responsible? What happened in 1978? Who is responsible? What happened in 1984? Who was responsible? What is happening now? Who is responsible? So what are things brought everyone to the Delhi? That was Sikh spirit. That was Sikh soch. That's what I want to tell you. We are leading. We will lead that. We will lead that, and one day we will show success. This law, sure, I hope we will get justice, but this is not the end of that. You know that EVM, might is right. You know how the Modi is ruling. But the democracy entirely failed. You know the democracy, I think the kids told you definition. But the democracy is ruled by the public, for the public, of the public. But their definition now implemented is ruled by the Modi, for the Modi, of the Modi. So we have to think about that twice. Why it happening? I think this is not enough. We have to educate. We have to know our history. We have to